Hello, welcome. My name is Alex, and this is my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with a yoga class that requires no props. All levels are welcome. And we will begin in a child's pose. Big toes together, knees apart. Walk the hands out and away from you. And soften the forehead down. Bring awareness to the breath, to the present moment. The physical sensations. Arrive. Feel yourself softening toward the ground. Feel the pressure on your hips. Feel every sensation. Feel every part of you touching the mat. These are all ways to stay present. Let's press up to a tabletop and do one round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Tuck the toes. Sit on the heels. Get the pinky edges out. Interlace the fingers and press the palms away from you. Feel a stretch in the hands. Sit up tall. Release, shake out the wrists, and actually, let's draw some circles. Make a little fist with each hand, and you're going to draw a circle in one direction and in the other direction. Open and close the hands a lot, fast. Keep going. And release, feel that energy in the hands. Let's come back to a tabletop. Tap out the tops of the feet. Roll the ankles. And neutral spine. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Sit back. Bring the feet out and around in front of you. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees apart. Hold on to the outside edges of the feet. Shoulders roll back and down. And fold forward over butterfly legs. Ooh, my legs are sore. I've been doing some other workouts too. And my body's not used to it. Just like aerobics, like cardio. Lunges. And lift up. Bring the soles of the feet to the mat for a reverse tabletop. Hands are behind you. Press down. Open up. Lower down. Cross your feet at the ankles. Back to a tabletop. One round of cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Round, exhale. Neutral. Sorry about the sound, if that's bad. Extend the right leg back and up. Knee faces down. Keep the leg hip height. Bend the right knee. And draw some circles. Out, down, back, and around. Hey, mosquitoes. Come on. I need to get this yard sprayed. But that feels so unnatural. Bring the right foot up between the hands. We're in a kneeling lunge. And just like fogging the air. No thanks. We're stretching the left hip flexor. Hello. half split, walk the hands back. I'm going to stay standing on the knee. You can sit all the way back. You can practice full split if you're ready or want to do that. Think length in the back and in the back of the leg. Shift the weight forward, back to a kneeling lunge, and back to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Round, exhale. Neutral. Left side. Left leg lifts. Back, up. Feel the energy that needs to go to the leg. Where does it need to go to activate the hamstrings, the core? Let's bend the knee and rotate the leg out, down, and around. And kneeling lunge. Untuck the back foot. Pay attention to where the knee is in relation to the ankle. You want it directly over, not back here or too far forward. Just right. Kind of wanted to go outside, but I think it rained a lot yesterday, so I don't really want to be in the mud. Oh, this space is cool too. Let's sit back into our half split. I actually love it out here. My little corner. Stretch the back of the left leg and the back. That's why I'm up on fingertips to get more length, because if you're down here, you're rounding. I want to distribute the length all across the back of the body. And shift the weight forward, back into a lunge, and back to a tabletop. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Neutral. Tuck the toes, lift the knees, and press back into downward facing dog. Let's reel in extra movement. Just feel what you feel. Hip width, feet, shoulder width, hands. Tabletop. Sit down, turn to face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. Left arm up and over, side body stretch. I crave this stretch. It feels so good. Lift up, baby wild thing. Lean on the left hand, left knee, left foot. Hand, right foot. You know. And sit down. Switch out the legs. Right arm up and over. So just like I was saying before, we're not just trying to get close to the leg. We are creating length and space in the entire side body and the hamstring. Lift up, Baby Wild Thing. And sit back down. Left foot in. Sit up tall. Reach the arms above the head. Float them down as you twist to the right. Release through center, arms lift up. And twist to the left. And back to center for a closing breath. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Lower them down on an exhale. Close the eyes for a moment. Soften the temples. Relax the shoulders. I am grateful for your presence. Be grateful for your presence. You have everything you need right now. Gently blink the eyes open. Emerge, refreshed. Feel the light as it re-enters. And thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. 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 Yeah, so thank you guys so much for being here. As always, let's hang out on Instagram or just let's tag me and stuff so I can see. Like yoga spaces would be kind of cool for you to tag me in and let me know about, or like cute animal videos is fine too. And yeah, I don't know, nothing really new. Make sure you check some of the links in the description box below. There's my Instagram. There's some cool stuff I like that you might also enjoy. Nothing is sponsored, don't worry. And that's all I got. I keep feeling like I need to talk about something else, but let me know what you thought. Share this with a friend, share this with yourself, and see you soon. So bright. Namaste. Smoothie time.